I'm feeling a bit bored today. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna watch some animals on TikTok. Let's get into it. And also, I do not have any more baby rabbits because you remember the rabbit video I made? Yeah, they're all grown up. So they don't look as cute as this thing here. This thing, like, that's so small. I wonder how they do that. I want to be that small, but anyways, let's get into the first video. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Alright everyone, I found the first TikTok. It's called "This Sound Was Meant for Them." Ooh. Look how cute! Oh, look at that, guys. It's a sugar glider. I've honestly never seen one of them in my life. To be honest, we don't really get those types of animals here. They look so cool. Comment down below if you have a sugar glider, guys. This is so cute. I want to see one. Alright guys, this one is called Little Spud. Potato rabbit. Let's get into it. Oh, look at it. So big. Very big rabbit. Wow. So cute when you look at the face. Like he's sleeping. Oh, that's cute. I like that rabbit. This one is called "People Think Bunnies Are Calm, Relaxed, Easy Pets." Ooh, bunnies. Oh, look at him. Whoa. Bunnies are deceiving pets. Whoa. That rabbit is very energetic. Wow. You know, Spot. That's literally Spot. Like, he's so energetic. And for what? This one is called "Lizard Follows Me." Let's see. So apparently it's a lizard, I guess. Hey, whoa! It's a frilled lizard. A frilled dragon lizard thing. It looks so cool. Look at him. Like, look at that. His frill. It's like Jurassic Park. You know, the Dilophosaurus that frilled his neck. Alright guys, I found this cute dog video, and already by this image here, he looks very soft. I wanna pet him. Look at him. Oh, that ice must be cold. Whoa, follow for more. Yeah, I will definitely follow for more. A lot. Yeah, I want to see more. Alright guys, I found this cute rabbit video. And this is the rabbit video that was in the thumbnail, I guess. Look at him. Can't stand it. Let's watch. Look, he's eating an orange. So small. Not even my rabbits are this small. Well, I mean, I did have a second batch that I didn't share with you guys, so I guess they were kind of small. Yeah, but they're all gone. Sorry about that. I didn't have time to make a video. I was gonna make a video, but they all left. Huh, what is this? It's a lizard. It says, "How can you say no to that face?" Wait, hold up. I didn't get context. Mom, can I have even more bugs? Let's see. Enzo, I already said no. Oh, I already said no. I feel like you don't mean it, and I'm gonna ask you a few more times. Well, I mean, in that case, better give him it. I mean, he's not gonna stop bugging you. So, oh well. I hope Enzo got his bugs, I guess. I really hope he did. If he didn't, That kind of suck. Like he did. Guys, this video is about a red panda. Look at him. Look. He stood up. Yeah, I would give him a high five and a hug. Like, look, he stood up and walked. It's so cute. I just want to squish him. I want to hug him so badly. This one is called This Juggling Otter is Making My Heart Melt. And the video says just an otter having the time of its life. He looks like he does though. But look at it. Oh, he's playing with a rock. Oh, so cute. I hope he gets friends to play with him. Like, how crazy would it be to just see one otter go, here, take this rock, and then the other otter catching it. That would be so cool. I definitely play with them, only if I was an otter too. Alright guys, this one is called Yummy Yummy, and it's a panda. Oh, look at him. Let's watch. Oh, ew. Whoa. It's just like Minecraft. He's eating the bamboo. Cool. Oh, he looks so cute. I wish I had pandas. Give them a big hug. If I had one, of course. Alright guys, I know this video was short, but this is the last TikTok. It's called He Just Pretend to Be a Poor Cat. And look how cute. I really like cats. I mean, besides from clawing and stuff, but at random times, this is a backstory. Woo! At random times, I used to see a cat at like the front of my gate. Cause I don't know if you know this, but at my house we have a gate, and most of the time when I'm outside, I'd see just this random cat walking. I'd also hear other cats. Like, I used to hear cat fights in the night. Like a cat and a dog fighting and stuff. But anyways, let's watch this. Look at him. Whoa. I like his or her, yeah, his collar. Is that a collar or a necklace? It's cute. Oh, I like it. I just wanna pet him. He's so squishy. I don't know how all of these people's animals are so squishy. They're so cute. Alright guys, sad to say this, but that'll be the end of today's video. And also, if you like this art that I made, spent whole night working on it, leave a like. I'm sorry that this video is short, and I hope I don't disappear for another month. 2, probably. Yeah. So if you enjoyed today's video and hope to see more, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe I'll have a guest in the next video. And also, I already planned for my 100 subscribers, so that would be really nice if you'd subscribe, please. Anyways, if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye. Voice crack.